Hey guys, let's learn how you can change your CPU thermal paste to get better performance on your PC and better heat transfer for a better extended life for your equipment. So let's go. So first you should remove your PC cover. Then after removing the cover, you should turn off switch back of the computer. You can remove the cable that connects the fan to PC motherboard. So you turn that little arrows until it get loose, and then you can remove the CPU fan. Okay, so that's your CPU, right? So you should clean the old thermal paste. So I'll get a little oil and some isopropyl alcohol and clean the old thermal paste. Isopropyl alcohol and just scrub until there's no old thermal paste left. You should do the same thing on the fan. So now that it's clean, you should get a thermal paste. Some people prefer just to put a drop here on the middle and squeeze it. You can do that, but I kind of prefer to make a dot and then get one of those things and squeeze the thermal paste. So we got a little drop. Squeeze the thermal paste. It should be like that, very uniform. So after that, you can get your cooler and put it back on its position. Okay, so now you can reallocate your cooler and make a little force so that these things get tight. Make a little press over the arrows and then it will be tightened. Make sure you put the cooler in the right direction. You just turn that arrows that you have over here, turn that arrows, and then it will unlock the pressure. So after putting it back, make sure you reconnect all of that, your motherboard cables that you have disconnected for that procedure. Okay, so now we can put our cover back in, screw it. Then remember also to reconnect all of your cables. Then you turn the switch back on and you should be able to turn on your computer. So then you can open some software to monitor your CPU temperature, like Open Hardware Monitor or any similar, and you can check if your temperatures are better than before, but it should be better. So that's for today, guys. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to my channel and leave a like.